31 years old, currently single, and a member of Iglesia Ni Cristo Church of Christ. I'm here now to apply for the position of Food Service Supervisor. When I was a student, I worked in McDonald's Davao Baada as a marketing representative for 4 years. I finished the degree of Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management. Then I decided to work abroad. I worked in McDonald's, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia as a food counter attendant for 3 years. When I get back in the Philippines, I decided to apply as a manager in Jollibee Bulton under JTC Group of Companies. Jollibee Bulton is a 3-story building, opens 24 hours with a seating capacity of 260. It also caters delivery service and a kids' birthday party. It has a total of 70 to 80 employees, including all the managers. For less than 4 years, I'm appointed as a restaurant manager of the branch. And this is one of the greatest achievements in my life. As a restaurant manager, the roles and the responsibilities are developing, implementing, and evaluating a specific restaurant plan for sales and profit growth. I have to create strategy management. This is the deployment, implementation, and monitoring of the strategies to achieve monthly and yearly goals and targets. I have to track and monitor all the customer feedback monthly for the store improvement. Of course, I have to develop cost control initiatives. This is for the savings of the cost variable expenses of the store. I have to ensure that 100% consistency implementation of the food service cleanliness of the company's standard. Of course, when it comes to people, I have to develop and empower them for their competency assessment and give them all the sufficient trainings for their future career. All in all, as a restaurant manager, I'm the overall in charge when it comes to sales, profit, financials, and of course, the 100% implementation of food service cleanliness of the store. And I think that will be all, and thank you so much.